Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I got my dog here. Oh god, pushing me in the butt. My dog is full of burrs and crap. It's like lost over by that trailer. Yeah, this is hard day. I've been hearing some noises at the door still, and I just can't figure out what it is. Sorry if you guys can't see me. Like, there's a noise right over here, just rattling on this thing here. Is there any way to change my camera's perspective? No, not on this. Over there on those doors, on those shed doors, there's been a lot of noises. A lot of noises. You're so cute. Okay. This is Xena, my dog. She won't stop biting me and giving me these burrs. Sorry guys. Sorry about all the noises that are everywhere. I'm just outside, you know. I could go into my mom's room and play video games and film a gaming video. I don't know. I really don't know. Comment down below, guys, what you guys want to do for a video, I guess. I'll look at it and then be like, oh, okay, I'll do that the next video. If there will be one, I hope. Hey. Hey, you. I think I did. What are you trying to do in the first place, man? My dog is. I try to pet her and this happens. Life got extremely hard for me. Wonder about you guys. Oh god. Buzzards. What the buzz are they doing? Buzzard. Guys, comment down below if you want to see Kyle again in another video, which might be a while because he's got things going on. Things I don't want to talk about. They're not bad things. Oh, this is where you've been hanging out getting all those burr stickers and you being a butt. You're a butt. You're a butt. I feel like I got extremely taller than my dog than I used to be. I guess past time. Life's weird for some people. Oh, Jesus. Whew. Yeah. I stepped on a can. Life literally got extremely harder. I've got these stuff all over me that Xena wasn't even rubbing me. And she just like flung them onto me. Well, anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video because I'm about to go film on my gaming channel. So see you guys, and make sure you go to head over. Wait, no. This is my gaming channel, actually. My vlog channel will be the other channel. So stay tuned for the next video. Will be like I already filmed like 2 videos, but I'm gonna try to film a 3rd one today, and it'll be a Minecraft video. So see you guys, and just stay tuned for that video. And yeah, she's like really muddy now. I don't know if oh look, a grasshopper. He's having a nice day. Anyway, see you in the next video, guys.